Assar Investments expects trading at Nigeria's equities to remain volatile in the first 3 weeks of this month as retail investors look to offload some of their portfolios this festive season. Muktar Mohammed, analyst at Assar Investments, joins me now for more on the market outlook. Muktar, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
So, well, we have about, 3 weeks till the end of the year. But talk to us, in the usual stock market cycle, how does trading shape up in the last 3 weeks?
In the next 3 weeks, trading is going to really be volatile, like I said, ups and down, and then you see portfolio reshuffling. You see investors moving from one portfolio to another, looking at price and dividend yield, dividend payment, and also capital appreciation for traders. So value investment is the key towards the yuletide season. So it has always happened like that, but towards the end of the year, then you begin to see a lot of activity, especially the last week of December. You begin to see a lot of activity upside, especially blue chip companies that pay good dividend. That third quarter result was fantastic, then that's what you begin to see.
Right. I wanted to get your thoughts on this news in the market around Lafarge. The wholesale company selling Lafarge Africa's stake to Huaxin Cement in a $1 billion deal. Any movement around the stock? How is the market taking it?
Yeah, the market took it very positive. It opened at 58 and it's closing at 63.80. So definitely that means 63.70. That means the market took it very positive. It's not that the investors are exiting and then telling shareholders that we are going to pay you. No, they also are foreign investors that are coming. They are not bought over by Nigerians. The only difference is that this is an Asia investment compared to the side. So investors took that positively, and I think it has reflected in the share price. And also is a good opportunity to see new investors come in with their pedigree. So investors are beginning to price in that it could only go upside, because again, when you look at the cement sector as a whole, Lafarge still remains the cheapest, and if you look at their third quarter result, it's not as bad as some of us were caught by surprise when they said that they were exiting Nigeria. But we know the challenges why they are exiting Nigerians, and there are other people that are ready to come in there and take up this challenge, knowing fully well that this challenge it's not going to last forever. It's a short-term challenge. That's always happened.
Right. And just looking at the market in general, I believe the market has returned somewhere around 30%. It's been there. So I'm thinking, is it safe at this point to say that, look, that's just going to be what the market would have returned for 2024?
Esther, like I told you,
that's a good return.
Yes, a good return.
Considering.
Yes, a good return. When you look at the economy permutation, when you look at the challenges of our Nigerian economy, when you look at the interest rate hike, when you look at the microeconomic issues, you look at high inflationary pressures here and there. Then you also look at the generality of the economic in terms of policies. You look at the real sector, you look at the manufacturing sector, you look at everything the government have tried to do. You can only see one positivity in that, all their reforms. The positivity can only be seen in the stock market as gained throughout
but wouldn't you attribute, which is what, the conversations I've been having in the last couple of days, analysts saying that, look, it's not the economy per se. Investors are focusing on individual stocks and what individual companies are doing, how they're making profits. So they're just focusing on a few key names.
Yeah, Esther, for focusing on those key names, you also need to look at the policy that are favoring those key names that are coming from the micro side or the monitoring side. That is what would drive you towards focusing. If you look at it now, most investors are focusing on the financial sector and the oil and gas sector. These are due to the reform. Right. So yes, you look at individual companies. Like I always say, individual companies like a pregnant woman, you have a child. You know what I mean? At a point, the child will live on your own life, because you feed what you feed is what the child will feed on. But towards when you put to bed, the child will also have to live on his own environment and issues. That's what will make the child grow. So individual companies can always, the stock market, they can have a life of their own, but for them to sustain that life, the economy must begin to help them. If you don't have that help from the economy, then you see the meltdown start coming. Then you see that some of those growth were artificial. But some of these growth now are attributed to the reforms. And the government is key in the carrying out more reforms in some of this sector. And I think it will help the economy.
Hopefully we'll see more of that. Thank you so much, Muktar. We're going to have to leave it there. Thank you for talking to us today. Muktar Mohammed, analyst at Assar Investments, looking at the trading at Nigeria's stock market.